Okay, in this video we're going to go over how you can easily use a Google form to create a contact form so for people to get in touch with you. And it's very easy to do. So the first thing is you need a Google account, and then once you get a Google account, you want to go to what's called Drive. The Drive is where you can create online documents, and you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to Create, and you're going to go to Create Form. So this is going to pop up, and you just have to then do some basic stuff to create the contact form. So maybe we'll call it contact form for English vessel. Ooh, excuse me. Which one? You might want to just go with the default. I'm going to go with the default here. And there we go. So I'm going to have to go back. So maybe I'll just say contact form English vessel. Okay, so I have that. Then what I have to do now is choose which type I want. So the first thing I want to do is maybe just have a text thing. So so they're going to put their answer here. So maybe you can put name for maybe first name, right? And so then that's done. So that's where they're going to put the first name. Then we're going to go add item. And so again, we'll do the same thing. We're going to choose text, and maybe we'll go last name, and then done. And then we'll add next one, email. Address, and then maybe help text, please add this if you would like a response. So how's that? Okay, so then leave that as text. Okay, so now we've got this. We have first name, last name, email, address. And then maybe you might want to add something that lets you know what type of person is coming to your site. So I'm going to go ahead and choose checkbox. And are you a teacher or student? And then here you can put teacher. This will really help you out, like who is writing you, to get an idea, right? And then maybe you can just put other. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Checkbox, they can add more than one. If it's multiple choice, they can just choose one. So then we have that, and then maybe just a comment. So please write your comments below. So then I'm going to go ahead and change that now to paragraph text so they can write as much as they like. And then they're done. So then we have our our contact form. So we are ready to go. I'm going to pull this up here so you can see it just a little bit more. Okay, so now we have our contact form that we can send, and so we are ready to send the form. So then once it's ready to go, we can go ahead and click send form, and we're just going to do with the link for now. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. Now we could do embed. We'll show you how to do that in another tutorial, but for now I think it's just best we put the link. So I've got that link, so I am good and ready to go, right? So we're going to have the response destination to a new spreadsheet, and they'll just create that for you where you can find your answers. And there you go. So then I've got that link, so now I'm going to go back down to my page, and if I pull this up here, right, so I have the contact, so please feel free to write me. I'm going to put that right here. So to edit that, I'm going to go ahead and pull that up into Text Wrangler, and here I have contact me. Please feel free to write me. Now remember, our link code was A and A, right? So that's the basic code, and then I have to go A, href equals, and then double quote. Then I need to put the link, which I've just pasted, in there. So there's the link for the Google form. And if I want it to open into another place, remember I have to put target equals blank. Now we went over this in the first tutorial, so if this is kind of new to you, maybe you should go back to the first tutorial and check this out. I'm actually supposed to be underscore blank. And let's go ahead, if I can find underscore on this computer. There it is. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and save that. And we've written the code for that. Then let's go ahead and check it out. So if I go ahead and pull that up in Safari, I have the link here now, and if I click on that, it will open up, and there it is, the contact form. So if somebody fills this out, this will be sent to your Google Forms, and you will collect all the information in a spreadsheet, and that's where you can get a contact form and set it up for free. Anyway, I hope this helps, and Google Forms is an easy way to set up a free contact form. There's other ones like Wufoo Forms, which I'll talk about later, so you can use more commercial services if you like, but when you're first starting out, you can just use Google Forms for just getting started out.